Hello everyone, welcome back to InsightEdge Labs. Here we discuss data analytics, machine learning, SQL, Python, Power BI and Excel in simple and practical way. As we have started our new series to learn Microsoft Power BI from basic till the advanced part of it. So in this series you are not going to learn only Microsoft Power BI, but this series will help you to crack your PL300 certification as well. So in this video we are going to see how to connect data which is available on your SharePoint to Microsoft Power BI report. So let's try to see the same. So let me show you the data which is available on the SharePoint. So here you can see SharePoint connection, which is the site which we have created on the SharePoint. If I go to the documents, so here you will able to see this Excel file, which is sample superstore Excel file. If I open this file, in this file we have three worksheets. First one is orders, people and returns. We have to load these three worksheets to the Microsoft Power BI. So first of all, go to the file. You will get this info, then click on open in desktop, click on open Excel. It will open this file to your desktop application. So now you can see it has opened that particular file to desktop application. Now go to the file option. You will able to see here info again. Click on info and now click on copy path. This is the path which we are going to make use for the connection. Now, as I open this blank Power BI report where we have not connected any data at the moment, now we want to load the data which is available on the SharePoint. So now click on get data, click on more option, click on others and now use this web connector. So click on web and click on connect. And in the URL, paste that path which we have copied and make sure like whatever there including question mark after the file name, remove that. So we have removed question mark web equal to 1 and press OK. It will load the data. Now you can see we are able to see orders table, we are able to see peoples and we are able to see these returns as well. So check all these three and click on transform. Now you can see here we are able to see orders table, people table, return table as well. Now click on close and apply. You can apply any transformation if you want in the Power Query. It is loading. So see, earlier this data pane was blank. Now we are able to see orders table, people table and returns table. If you want to see whole data, just go to the table view and here you can see the data which is available in the orders. We are able to see data which is available in the people, data which is available in the returns table. We are able to see, right? And now this table we can use for the reporting purpose. So this is the way you can connect the data which is available on SharePoint to your Microsoft Power BI report. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video.